Today we're going to talk about the Wipe Away bundle that got launched for the whole of January. So it came with the Foops liquid remover, which is our makeup remover, and also Foops makeup wipes and the brush cleaner, which is really important when it comes to Senegens, because you know it is all day wear makeup. So that way cleaning your brushes, how it stays on your face, you can see they doesn't budge. It's going to be all day, same way they stay in the brush too. So that's why it makes it really very important to clean your brushes too often. Otherwise that's when you will start to see breakouts. So the bundle is with $64 value, and if you're a Kiss and Tell member, then you get it for $54. So such a wonderful deal to snag away. So today how want to show you is I'm going to do Foops remover on one side and the wipes on the other side. That way I can show the difference, and also then let's do the brush cleaner too, so that way I can cover all in one. Let's first see the liquid Foops. It's a dual phase color remover. It removes Senegens Cosmetics, including the waterproof Lash Sense mascara. So if you have got the waterproof one, you know it doesn't go away at all. It stays so well, like even if you're going to shower, even if you go for swimming, it will still be the same until you remove it. So you need to have the liquid one to remove that. And if you see, even in remover, it has our Senaplex complex. That means it's going to have the anti-aging benefits in it. Not only that, you can see how Senegens included skincare benefits in even here. So it says green tea extract, which protects against environmental elements. Arnica flower extract helps skin to feel more supple, and spirulina, which is rich in antioxidant that help protect against from free radicals. Like this is good for even contact wearers. Every time when you want, you need to activate it because it's oil based, so that's why it separates. So here you can see every time you just activate it by shaking, and this will last you so long. Here I'm going to use like a a makeup sponge, so that way I can you can use your fingers too if you want. This way I can show, because if I'm taking it in my fingers, I can't show. So I'm going to take away the the right hand side using this. You can see just by 1 second I was able to remove everything. So I'm just wiping away everything in this side. You don't have to put too much pressure at all, like just gently just pressing it against the skin. You will be able to take away every makeup product that's there. I don't use it on my lips. I always use only Foops remover in my lips. So that's why I'm taking away everything else. Lips alone, I'm going to leave it as it is. I like to only use Foops remover because it will take just a minute for me to remove. You can see how much product, everything, including my face makeup, my bronzing, everything, whatever I did, I was able to take away. And then the other step you guys have to remember is makeup removal is a separate step and cleansing is a separate step. So after you remove your makeup, then you go for cleansing. So don't just cleanse directly with these makeup on, because these are again waterproof, and so it is not going to feel clean if you are doing that way. I always like to see it keeps coming. That's how much makeup is there, and it takes time to break out, and it's like it's meant to break the makeup, so that way it makes it so easy for you to remove. So for the other side, I'm going to use the makeup remover wipe. For this side, I'm going to use our makeup removal wipe. So this is a biodegradable wipe. So these are eco-friendly, and same way you have the Senaplex complex here too. So this is an oil-free, as I said, the Foops was oil based, that's why you can see it separates every time. This is a oil free wipe and it's easy to carry because even if you are traveling, you will be able to carry the Foops wipes anywhere, and it removes the dirt, oil and makeup, revealing soft clean skin without sticky residue. And it is again ophthalmologist tested and safe for contact wearers, so both of them are safe for contact wearers. And here we have the sodium hyalurate, which we talk about all the time about our Senaplex climate control. So that's there in this, so it's going to protect against moisture loss. So think of this way, like you are taking so much care with the skincare, so makeup can do so much damage if it is not of good quality. So similar way, they have thought so much even to include these kind of benefits in a makeup remover. So that's why these products are going to make a game changer. Next we have aloe vera juice, which is going to moisturize and help smooth the skin, and it also has vitamin B, which can helps condition and lashes and eyebrows. So it is like I will always say it's like a no-brainer to choose Senagen's makeup or Senagen's skincare, because here you will get benefits in every single step you can imagine. So here I just took out one what is it, like makeup wipe. You guys can split it too if you want to how do you say, like if you want to use it in more than once, because it's a very nice and big what is it, like a big wipe. So you can do if you want to, so you can see you can even do with just one half of it and maybe like cut and save the other one for later. Here I'm just showing you so that you guys can see how well it can remove, and it is like quick and easy. As I said, for my trip to for the beach trip, you can see I just used just one half of it. So it will remove non-waterproof mascara and your shadow sense, your blush, and if you have wore the brow sense, powder, anything and everything. And also it's going to take away any dirt and oil, and that if you're someone who goes to bed without removing makeup, you are going to make yourself age faster. So make sure you always remove your makeup before you go to bed, because while you sleep the skin is going to turn. So you don't want your makeup to be there when you sleep. So you are going to try taking away your makeup before you go, and as you can just cleanse properly and then go with all your skincare at night. Even if you don't do daytime, that's completely fine, but nighttime the skin is going to rejuvenate and repair itself. So that way, if you put all the moisture in while you sleep, it's going to help with anti-aging. So you can see I tried to clean everything off my face. You can see the eyes are clean. Today I didn't wear mascara, so that way I couldn't show, but I had eyebrows, I had shadow sense, I had powder. So pretty much I had most of the makeup. Like I had CCTM and I had mixed CCTM with foundation on, so that way I can show everything in one. Last one is obviously the brush cleaner. So preserve your artistry tools and protect your skin by cleaning them weekly with this gentle, effective brush cleaner. Safe to use on synthetics or natural hair bristles. So ours is all vegan. So our our brushes are always vegan brushes, and I am trying to do this fancy tool today. I just got it during Thanksgiving, but I never got to use it. So that's what I'm going to use it to show, demonstrate how I'm going to fill some water and come back. Now that we need to clean my brushes, I came to my sink, because that way I have access to water. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of brush cleaner here. That's all you need. With Senegens, again, anything is concentrated. So how I like to do is, I like to use one of these mats that you get of Amazon or any store. Basically, these are like just to rub off anything that is there. So basically I like to soak the brushes that I want to clean, so that way they get time to what is it, like the break the colors. Maybe I can show an example when I take it out. So that's my first step I like to do. So they will get some time to soak in, and then I can once I take it out, let me show you. So if you see this one, it has a lot of greens in it. So what I like to do is I like to rub it against these creases. What this does is it's going to penetrate into these creases and take away that stubborn makeup that's been there. You need to what's it, like take time to clean once in a while. Otherwise you are going to make the bacteria build up, and that's when you start to what do you say, like start to break out more. So always make sure you clean once a while and dry it properly. With Senegens cleaner, you have to let it dry for a while, because since you are putting it in water, we do what is it, like I do use something called Cinemata Secrets, which I use for quick cleaning. Let me show this brush. It's nice and clean now. I'll just wipe out the excess water alone. Do you see? Do you see, it had all greens and everything, and now it's all ready for next time. So that's what it is about. So anytime when you use anything like for example, particularly your what is it, like your foundation brushes and all, it will have so much that it needs to soak in. You can see because you know, CCTM and foundation are always all day wear, so they stay really well. Even though I try to what is it, like wash once in a while in with the quick drying thing, you can still see there is, do you see how much comes out of the brush once you clean like this? Like the product, since it stays really well, it's going to be staying in the brushes too. So that's why it's very important for you to take time to clean these brushes. You can see the foundation is running here and there, so that's what I'm trying to take away. So this is such a wonderful bundle. As I said, since you are going to get it in a better price with Kiss and Tell, and it will be nice for you to add on all three of them. I would always suggest even to add the melt away balm. As you can see, the skin will feel so nice once you remove the makeup, and then the skincare can penetrate in. So adding a makeup remover, if you are having a CCTM, then get any of our makeup removers from our line. Then only you can enjoy both the ways, because when it can stay well, you need a product that needs to be helping to break it down. So that's it. Hope this video helps you. See you all soon.